G'day folks, this is the Coffee Bush Kid in Central Vic. Okay. It's just in one little area there. So, we will gently go in from the side. Go down. Let's see if we and what it is and where it is. Oh, add that on again. Still right there in the hole. Ah. And that. I have to clean it up, but that's a nice edged piece of brass. Who knows what that'll be. We found it. It's pretty good. Now I've got a nice mid-30s signal underneath here. I haven't lifted it up yet, so I'm hoping probably for a silver, but let's see what we find. I'll just run the detector back over. It's still in the hole, nothing on there, so we'll get the pinpointer out. It's just in there, right under there. In fact, it's probably that. And that is an absolute heavy piece of bloody lead. No wonder it gave a damn good signal. Anyway, got another nice signal here. So, let's see what we've got. There we go. Oh, there. Cool. Part of the belt buckle. It's one of the thin pressed ones. The D shackle over here is busted off. And I reckon that we probably won't find the other half. No, it's not there. Just that. Yeah, probably help if that was turned on too. Right. We actually might be lucky. Let's see how we go. Or it might be the other bit. Move that out the way. No. Not really. Playing funny buggers. Anyway, that's what we found. I got a deep signal. It was a really good one. Right there. There seems to be something over there too. Alright. Well, there's a better way of doing this. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Look at that. I know what that is. That's a buckle. So, let's see if we can dig some of this stuff out. Nope. Take it carefully because this is just all the pressed stuff. Cool, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. That is a cricketer's belt buckle. Oh, and even better, there's a bloody snake attached to it as well. You won't really get much better than that at all. We'll see what the other signal is afterwards, but this one's going in the pocket carefully. That's brilliant. An absolute corker of a find. So keep in mind, it's always good to fill in some of your day detecting, but remember to fill in all your holes when you're finished. We'll catch you next time.